Ever been part of a team event that actually changes lives? Well, this one does. I'm talking about building real wheelchairs for people in need, right here in Bangkok. This is team building with purpose, and this is exactly what we do at Fun Events Asia. Stick around because in a sec, I'll show you how a simple team challenge turns into something really meaningful and how your team can make a real difference. Here's how this fun activity works. Teams start with a quick briefing and then assemble wheelchairs. You'll work together to put everything back in place. But here's the catch. It's a race against the clock. Everyone has to focus, communicate, and move efficiently to finish on time. When your team completes the task, we run a full safety check. The first team to pass it wins, but honestly, the real win is what happens at the end. Everyone walks away feeling like they've accomplished something important. To make the donation even bigger, teams can also go shopping for additional items, which are added to the wheelchairs when they're handed over. It's a simple way to make a bigger impact and brings the team together. This activity is all about teamwork, leadership, clear communication, problem solving, and most of all, valuing diversity. Every team member has a role, and everyone's contribution counts. That's what makes the challenge fun, challenging, and truly rewarding. Here are some quick facts to give you a clear picture. The indoor activity runs 2 to 3 hours and works for 20 to over 200 people. Your quotation includes wheelchair parts, tools, a facilitator, safety checks, prizes for winning team members, donation handover, venue setup, and transport of assembled units. Just note that meeting rooms, food, and drinks aren't included. At the end of this activity, you'll meet the representatives from the local charity organization, who we introduce with a brief background about their work. It's a great way to see the real impact your team has made. If you liked this video, check out our other team building activities across Thailand. Or if you're ready to run your own Build a Wheelchair activity, hit the link below and let's make it happen with Fun Events Asia. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share to keep up with more team building ideas that really make a difference.